Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how I made my textured art piece for my dining room wall. And as you can see, we have these two little niche areas. One, I absolutely cannot reach up there, but I'm going to try to do something with this lower half right here. So yeah, I got these pictures from a lady on Facebook Marketplace. She actually owns a wholesale business, I guess. I don't know. She was going out of business or whatever. So I actually got these pictures for free, which was a total score. So yeah, to go ahead and get started, I'm just gonna use this spackling paste. You need some sort of tape, painter's tape preferred, and then like a trowel or edger or whatever this thing is. So yeah, I thought about painting the frames black, but then I kind of changed my mind because I kind of like the wood color that came with the picture. So to prevent anything from getting on it, I went ahead and taped off my frames before I started distributing the spackle. I always want the truth, but it's that I don't see. You got something real, not babe. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. And y'all, there really is no rhyme or reason here. I just plopped the stuff on and spread it as I saw fit. Some people I've seen made little designs, which I did try to do a little bit of that, but for the most part, I just wanted to cover up the picture that was already on the canvas. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. I'm thinking the side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Dragged me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, yeah, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me. You might have to rise before this can't be our first time. We might have to rise before this stays official. I'm looking for some things that I've never. You gotta share somebody but love for the blue fire. Alright, so I let my picture sit for a few hours, maybe like 5 hours. After that, I took it outside and I used the Rust-Oleum metallic spray. And then this was just a color sample that I had from when I did my kitchen. So it actually is the same color that's on my kitchen island. You wanna get with me, stop. So yeah, I didn't have any designed idea in mind. I literally just did whatever I thought was best. I don't know, Chad. I was just putting stuff on the canvas and hoping for the best, really, at this point. I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna. Also, a few days before I decided to go ahead and paint these, I knew I wanted to have a light to go above it. So I went to Amazon, found this little light here. It came with a remote and all that good stuff. So yeah, here you see me. This is just a little hack for how I hang things by myself. If you put out tape and mark the measurements and then put the tape on the wall, you can drill the hole or nail the hole or whatever you need to do, and it will come out perfect each and every time. I'm telling you, this is like my foolproof way of doing things and hanging things. But yeah. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say.
mistakes. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Girls on this side, dog over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, you're getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced.
So yeah, y'all, I like the way my pictures came out, and it's so cute. And look at my little bougie light. Oh, so nice. But yeah, it really just makes my space look so much more elevated, and I don't know, y'all, I just love it. I love it so much. So yeah, until next time, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.